Today I'm gonna turn Gudetama into mochi. Oh my gosh, look at his booty. So let's get started. Okay, so I have some rice flour here and we are going to add some water very gradually. And this rice flour is called shiratamako, and it's a very specific kind of rice flour that you need, but it's gonna bring us Gudetama, so it's worth it, and I'll link it below. And then I am going to dye it yellow with just a little bit of food coloring. When we boil this, which is what we'll be doing in a second, it will darken. And then I'm gonna divide it into as many Gudetamas as I want. And then with each ball, I'm gonna take off just a little bit because like Gudetama has arms and we need this little bit for the arms. And the dough should stick to itself really easily, but if like you're struggling, just add like a touch of water to your fingers and like that will be enough moisture to stick everything together. For his booty, I'm just using my finger now. I don't know if this is gross, but like I'm the one eating this, it's fine. I am so amused, like too amused. This is so cute. I know we aren't gonna do his face yet. What I'm gonna do is wait for this dough to dry out like a little bit because of the technique that we're gonna use in a second. For the face, we want this dough to be a little bit drier. So it's been like an hour and the dough's dried out a little bit. So I have a food coloring pen. This is like the most handy thing ever. And we are going to draw his face on. And this is gonna make it so that we have as much control as we want. Now I'm gonna pop him into a pot of boiling water and boil him for about 4 minutes. And then as soon as the 4 minutes hit, pop them into a bowl of ice water. And this is gonna stop the cooking because we want Gudetama to be like squishy, but like not too squishy. And now we are going to make the syrup. So the syrup is going to be the egg white. So I have some coconut cream and I'm gonna add some brown sugar, and Lord, that was too much. That was way too much, so more coconut cream. Then I'm gonna add some finely grated ginger as well. And then I'm gonna turn on the heat and boil it until it is reduced by half because we want it to be thick enough so that it will like maintain its shape when we like set everything up. So we're using my cutting board and I'm just gonna add a dollop of the egg white and place egg Gudetama in the middle, and oh, I Jesus! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And do you know who also really likes eggs? Paddington!